I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough on how you might solve this puzzle box if you were attempting it for the first time. My test pilots have taken on average 20 to 30 minutes to solve this, so it's not too difficult. You would start, like most puzzles, to see if there's anything that moves to start with. Feel there's a bit of movement on this top lid. On the back there are a couple of drawers which move. There's a part here which moves a little bit but doesn't give much. Then on the figs themselves there's a little bit of movement. Punch moves a little bit up and down and a little bit left and right. Judy just moves up and down a little bit. Again, nothing major there. So we turn our attention to the stripes, and we can see from these there are slight gaps between them, so there is potential there for movement. Nothing seems to move on this side or in the front, but on this side, if you choose the right one, it comes out. So that allows us to move this part, which now pulls out a good inch. So what does that enable us to do? This allows us to move Punch counterclockwise 90 degrees. He still doesn't move upwards, but it does allow us to lift Judy up, which releases the drawer at the back. And here we find the crocodile. So the next thing to do is to try and fit it in the hole, which we can see is in between Punch and Judy. And it looks like it should go in there, but there's no way of getting him in. So we might consider trying to get him through the top here, if this moves a little bit. But currently with the drawer there, it doesn't move at all. It's only when we open the drawer as far as it will go. Success! So now we can take the crocodile and put him in his rightful place. In theory. Yep, he's in. Now if you pull the crocodile up, the drawer is released. And that's it. The puzzle's solved.